How you doing today? My name is Samuel Jordan. This is World Wide Web. We're adding color to geometry nodes. Let's get into it. So I just got a couple of boxes on a plane right now. Alrighty, nothing crazy, right? I'm just showing you guys what's going on. So we got a grid, which is the plane. Distribute points on faces. So we have a bunch of points on this plane, and then we have an instance for those points, right? And that instance is allowing me to add cubes. So there's a grid. I got to distribute some points on there. There's an instance that allows me to add these cubes. That's all that's going on. And this translate instances, all it's doing is putting these boxes on the z-axis, okay? So if I move it around, it's moving on the z-axis. I'm just putting it exactly where I want it to be, okay? I want it directly on that plane or on that grid, okay? All right. And then we got a set material node, okay? So pay very close attention to why I told you guys what all these things do and why they're placed where they're placed, okay? So we got a set material node, right? We place a set material node there. And to get all these things, all you have to do is hit Shift A and then, write it in. So like, let's say I hit Shift A and then I wanted a set material. I'll just type in set material and then click it, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. All right. So now we have a set material node here, okay? To add color to this, all we have to do is go to shading, go to the shading tab, hit Z, go to rendered mode, right? You want to see the color that you want to shade it in. And then as soon as you hit brand new, let's say if this was off and you hit brand new, right? You should get a principled BSDF, okay? All right, let's say you wanted to change the color to blue, right? You'll notice that it's not going on your nodes, right? It's not going on the mesh. What you have to do is go back to your geometry nodes, hit set material, and look for that material you just created, right? So let's do this again. Let's go back to shading and let's name this something that you can find, all right? Let's call it geo color, all right? Now we call it geo color, right? We're in rendered mode. Let's see this. See if it's on performance. Okay, hi. Geo color. All right, let's go to geo nodes, right? Let's find this out. You see geo color? We hit Z, go to rendered mode. Boom. All right. We have color. We have color, but everything is colored. You got the grid is colored, the boxes is colored, everything is colored. How do we only get, let's say if we only wanted the boxes colored. We got to walk it back, right? Walk it back. This is why I told you um, what everything does for, all right? Okay? So let's say if I only wanted the grid to be in color. Shift A, right? Set material. And I'll put it here. Remember, add geo color, and it'll become blue. Why is it blue for? Because the grid is going directly into the join geometry, which is going to the group output, okay? All right? What if I wanted to only have the cube colored? All right? This is what we'll do. We walk it back. This one has a little bit more steps, so you'll still be able to get it though. So ready? We got the grid that's going to the distribute on points. That's going into the instances. That's allowing the grid to be there. And then that's just the translate, okay? So the grid, the cube, before it went through all of this before it can even join, before it went to the group output. All right, it's going through all of this, right? It's becoming a cube that's on the points before it even gets to a geometry node. So in order for you to color only the cube, set material node, you have to get it here. So this is why it's so crucial for you to know what exactly you want to have colored, and you can walk it back and figure out where to put your set material node, so you know which part of your node tree and know which part of your meshes that you want to color. Okay? Alrighty, my name is Samuel Jordan. This is World Wide Web, and make sure to like and follow. Peace.